Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Reddit app not working issue on your Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. There might be several reasons why the Reddit application is not working properly on your Android device. Some of the most common issues includes internet connection, the outdated app cache, or device issues. Whatever the reason are, here are some troubleshooting methods you could follow so that you can resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to an internet. Since the Reddit app requires internet connection in order to operate, if you have a weak or unstable internet connection, the app might not work properly. So make sure to connect to a stable internet, and once you are done, go open up your Reddit app and see if that fixes the issue. If it worked for you, then that's great. If not, go ahead and check if your application is updated to the latest version. If you're using an outdated app, then it might not be compatible with your device or may not function properly. So in order to check if the application is updated or not, tap open Play Store. In the search box, search for Reddit, and if you see an update button right next to the app, it means that you've not updated to the latest version. Simply tap on the update button to get the latest version of the app downloaded on your Android phone. Once you have the latest version, tap it open and you might be able to fix your issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to delete your app cache. The app cache may become cluttered over time, which can cause the app to malfunction. Simply go ahead and find the Reddit app from the app drawer and press hold the app. Now tap on App Info. From the App Info page, tap Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache at the lower right. Once you are done clearing the cache, go back and open up your Reddit app and see if that fixes the issue for you. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try and follow whenever your Reddit application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.